Here's some Yakutia geography trivia. Subscribe. What is the capital of the Sakha Republic? Is it A. Khabarovsk, B. Novosibirsk, C. Yakutsk, or D. Irkutsk? The correct answer is C. Yakutsk. Which river is the longest in Yakutia? Is it A. Vilya River, B. Yana River, C. Vidym River, or D. Lena River? The correct answer is D. Lena River. What mountain range lies in Yakutia? Is it A. Altai Mountains, B. Ural Mountains, C. Verkhoyansk Range, or D. Caucasus Mountains? The correct answer is C. Verkhoyansk Range. Which area is known for permafrost in Yakutia? Is it A. Sunny Valley, B. Hot Springs, C. Cold Pole, or D. Green Meadows? The correct answer is C. Cold Pole. What is the primary natural resource mined in Yakutia? Is it A. Gold, B. Diamonds, C. Coal, or D. Oil? The correct answer is B. Diamonds. Which mineral is notably produced in Yakutia? Is it A. Iron, gold, C. Copper, or D. Silver? The correct answer is B. Gold. What is the indigenous language spoken in Yakutia? Is it A. Aleut, B. Sakha, C. Tuvan, or D. Chukchi? The correct answer is B. Sakha. Which town in Yakutia is known for its cold winters? Is it A. Neryungry, B. Chokordak, C. Verkhoyansk, or D. Kresty? The correct answer is C. Verkhoyansk. What territory is bordered by the Arctic Ocean? Is it A. Alaska, B. Russia, C. Chukotka, or D. Canada? The correct answer is C. Chukotka. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.